Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm here with another very delicious and exciting dish. Stay with me until the end of this video because making it is very easy and it turns out really tasty. To start, you need 500 grams of chicken wings. The amount of chicken depends on you. Like me, cut the wing in half from the middle and let's add the spices. In a bowl, salt, pepper, paprika powder and oregano. For the next step, you need 3 bowls. In the first bowl, put some white flour. In the second bowl, break 1 egg. And finally, in the third bowl, pour a little breadcrumbs. Now we move on to the spices we prepared. We add some of the spices to our flour and some to our breadcrumbs, and we mix them all with the flour and breadcrumbs. Here I realized that I didn't have enough seasoning for my egg, so I added seasoning to my egg again, like before. A little salt, pepper, paprika, and herbs. It's enough. I mix my egg thoroughly with the spices until it has a uniform texture. And let's coat the chickens with the mixture. First, we place the chickens into the flour mixture we made and thoroughly coat them with the flour and spices. Shake off a little of the flour and then place them into the egg mixture. Once it thoroughly stuck to the egg mixture and got sticky, the last step is to coat it with the breadcrumb mixture. We do the same with the rest of the chicken pieces, and now they are ready to cook. As you can see, I placed the chickens in my air fryer or the oven. Let me tell you guys, if you don't have an air fryer, you can fry the chickens in a pan with a little oil, but, well, I wanted to have healthier chickens, so I'm making them in my air fryer without any oil. I set my air fryer to 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and let them cook themselves. After about 1/4 of an hour, I take them out of the air fryer and coat them with beaten eggs and a little salt. I put them back in the air fryer and let them cook a little more. During this time, I check them a few times, and after I'm sure they are cooked, we proceed to make its special sauce. A little ketchup sauce, a little soy sauce, and any spicy sauce you have can be used. If you don't have soy sauce, it's not a problem. It can be omitted, but it tastes much better with soy sauce. Mix these well together until combined. I shake it so that the chicken is covered with all the sauce. This way we have delicious fried chicken with tasty sauce. I am sure if you make it, you won't regret it. If you like this video and this fried chicken tutorial, leave your comments for me. Tell me how you make it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in another video.